Have you ever heard someone say, "We're in the dog days of summer," and wondered, what do dogs have to do with the weather? The phrase refers to the hottest, most uncomfortable time of the year, usually late July to mid-August in the Northern Hemisphere. It's that time when the heat feels endless, people are tired, and the days seem to drag on. For example, business is slow during the dog days of summer. We're just trying to survive the dog days until autumn comes. Training for a marathon during the dog days? That's dedication. It's often used to describe not just the weather, but also a slow, stagnant, or difficult period in life or work. Here's where it gets interesting. The phrase has nothing to do with actual dogs lying in the sun. It comes from ancient Greek and Roman astronomy. They noticed that the brightest star in the sky, Sirius, rose and set with the sun during the hottest part of summer. Sirius is part of the constellation Canis Major, which means greater dog, so they called this period the dog days. They believe Sirius added to the heat of the sun, making the weather even more unbearable. A quick tip: use dog days for extended, hot, and tiring times, whether you're talking about the weather, a sports season, or a long project at work. If it's just one hot day, it's not dog days. So next time the summer heat feels endless, you'll know you're in the dog days, a phrase that has been around for thousands of years. See you next time in Between the Words.